Areas or sources of information for psychological foundation are student characteristics, learning process, teaching method, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Knowledge is compartmentalized in learning centered curriculum, subject centered curriculum, activity centered curriculum. The correct answer is subject centered curriculum. Prior planning is characteristic of subject centered curriculum, learner centered curriculum, activity centered curriculum, ABC. The correct answer is subject centered curriculum. Board field curriculum is a modification of subject centered curriculum, activity centered curriculum, learner centered curriculum. The correct answer is subject centered curriculum is a bold field curriculum. Curriculum based on thinking of John Dewey is subject centered curriculum, learner centered curriculum, activity centered curriculum. The correct answer is activity centered curriculum. The characteristics of activity centered curriculum: student interest, training of practical work, overall development, ABC. The correct answer is all of the above. Characteristics of activity centered curriculum include student interest, training of practical work, and overall development. Prior planning is not possible in subject centered curriculum, learner centered curriculum, activity centered curriculum, A, B, and C. The correct answer is activity centered curriculum. In this curriculum, prior planning is not possible. Curriculum emphasized for primary classes is subject based curriculum, integrated curriculum, teacher centered curriculum. None of the above. The correct answer is integrated curriculum. Development of curriculum at a higher level and its application at different level is centralized, decentralized, horizontal organization, vertical organization. The correct answer is centralized. The purpose of integrated curriculum is increase students enrollment, increase in no of books, increase in dropout, decrease in no of books. This option we will repeat. The purpose of integrated curriculum is increases in students enrollment, increases in number of books, decrease in dropout, decrease in number of books. The correct answer is decrease in no number of books. The relationship of different concepts at one level is centralized, decentralized, horizontal organization, vertical organization. The correct answer is horizontal organization. The factor affecting curriculum development is economical factor, sociological factor, scientific factor, A, B, and C. The correct answer is all of the above, A, B, C. All of factor is affecting the curriculum development. The problem of curriculum development in Pakistan is lack of financial resources, less number of teachers, insufficient building of schools, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which is not concerned with the teacher training? University of Education, IER, DSD, BISE. The correct answer is BISE. Board of Intermediate Secondary Education is not concerned with the teacher training. University of Education was established in 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. The correct answer is 2002. Allama Iqbal Open University was established in 1974, 1980, 1984. The correct answer is 1974. The major function of Punjab Textbook Board: conduct examination, teacher training, printing books, none of the above. The correct answer is printing books. Making value judgment about curriculum is curriculum development, curriculum evaluation, curriculum design, curriculum elements. The correct answer is curriculum evaluation. Evaluation used to improve the contents after curriculum development is formative evaluation, summative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation, none of the above. The correct answer is summative evaluation. The evaluation used to improve the content during the curriculum development is formative evaluation, summative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation, none of the above. The correct answer is formative evaluation.